How to use egg white for blackheads. Get rid of them fast. Blackheads are a mild form of acne that is caused due to clogged hair follicles. Overproduction of sebum causes it to accumulate on the skin surface. The sebum combines with the impurities and form a plug in the skin pores. These clogs or cometons are called blackheads. When the plug is exposed to air, the melanin content in the plug gets and turns black. Blackheads are very stubborn to remove. But with some natural remedies like egg whites, we can remove them at the comfort of the home. How to use egg white for blackheads. There are several methods of using eggs to get rid of blackheads. Choose one among them and try it regularly. 1. Plain egg whites. Break 2 eggs in a bowl and carefully separate the whites from the yolks. Beat with the help of a fork to create a foamy texture. Use a soft brush to apply a thin coat all over your face. Place the strips of tissue paper all over your face, especially the nose, and apply another coat over the layer of tissue paper. Add another layer of tissue paper over the second layer and coat it with more of the whites. Once you have applied the final layer on your face, let the mask dry completely. Peel off the mask gently and rinse your face with water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week till all the blackheads are gone. 2. Lemon egg white blackhead mask. Citric acid, a type of alpha-hydroxy acid AHA found in lemon juice, is a potent natural astringent that unclogs the skin pores and removes impurities from the skin pores. Break an egg in a bowl and carefully separate the egg whites from the yolk. Whisk thoroughly with the help of a fork and add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to it. Mix it thoroughly using a spoon and apply 2 to 3 coats of this mixture all over your face using a brush. Let it dry completely and then rinse off with water. Follow this procedure 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Honey and egg mask for blackheads. The powerful antibacterial agents present in honey help to keep away the bacteria that feed on the dead skin cells. Break an egg in a bowl and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Whisk thoroughly with the help of a fork and add a tablespoon of raw, organic honey to it. Apply 2 to 3 layers of this mixture all over your face using a cotton ball or brush. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with water. Follow this procedure every other day for a few weeks. 4. Egg white baking soda mask. The fine granules of baking soda act as an effective exfoliant that removes the dead skin cells and dirt that cause blackheads. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a bowl and add enough water to it to make a thick paste. Break an egg in a bowl and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Whisk thoroughly with the help of a fork and add it to the baking soda paste. Mix it using a spoon and apply this mixture all over your face. Massage your face with your fingertips for 5 to 8 minutes and leave it on for another 10 minutes. Rinse your face with water, dry with a towel, and apply a moisturizer. Repeat this process twice a week for a few weeks. Note: don't leave the baking soda mask on your skin more than 10 minutes because it can seriously dry out your skin. 5. Egg white and apple cider vinegar mask. The highly acidic nature of apple cider vinegar breaks down the plugs of sebum and dead skin cells. Astringent properties of apple cider vinegar tighten and close the enlarged skin pores. Break an egg in a bowl and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Whisk thoroughly with the help of a fork. Add 1 tablespoon each of water and apple cider vinegar to the whites. Apply this mixture all over your face and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse off with water and pat dry with a towel. Repeat this process every other day for a couple of weeks. Note: make sure to use raw, unfiltered and organic apple cider vinegar for this treatment. 6. Egg whites and sugar scrub. The fine granules of sugar act as an exfoliating agent that removes dead skin cells and impurities from the skin. In addition, glycolic acid, a type alpha-hydroxy acid present in sugar, helps to maintain the perfect oil balance in the skin, which prevents overproduction of sebum. Break 2 eggs in a bowl and carefully separate the whites from the yolks. Whisk using a fork and add a tablespoon of sugar to it. Apply this mixture all over your face and massage with your fingertips for 5 to 8 minutes. Leave it on for another 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off with water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. 7. Oatmeal and egg white mask for blackheads. Saponins present in oatmeal acts as a potent natural cleanser that sucks out accumulated dirt, dead skin cells and sebum from deep inside the skin pores. Take 2 tablespoons of oatmeal in a bowl and add some water to it. Heat it for 2 minutes or till the oatmeal is completely cooked. Let the cooked oatmeal cool down completely. Break a couple of eggs in a bowl and separate the whites from the yolks carefully. Add the eggs to the cooked oatmeal and mix thoroughly with a spoon. Apply this mixture all over your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with water and dry with a towel. 8. Tea tree oil and egg face mask for blackheads. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of tea tree essential oil fight off the infection-causing bacteria that feed on the dead skin cells. Break an egg in a bowl and carefully separate the white from the yolk. Whisk thoroughly with the help of a fork and add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil to it. Mix it with a spoon and apply this mixture all over your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off with water. Repeat this process every other day for a couple of weeks. 9. Yogurt egg white face mask blackheads. Lactic acid present in yogurt works as a natural cleanser and exfoliant that breaks down the impurities and unclogs the skin pores. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt in a bowl and whisk it with a fork. Break an egg and separate the white from the yolk. Add to the yogurt and mix with a spoon. Apply this mask all over your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your face with water and pat dry with a towel. Repeat this remedy every other day for a few weeks. 10. Cinnamon and egg white mask blackheads treatment. Potent antibacterial property of cinnamon fights off the infection-causing bacteria that feed on the dead skin cells. It unclogs the pores, which leads to the formation of blackheads. Break an egg and separate the white from the yolk. Whisk using a fork and then add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon to it. Mix it with a spoon and apply this mixture all over your face. Massage for 5 minutes and then leave it on for another 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with water and pat dry with a towel. Repeat this remedy once every day for a couple of weeks.